Hi everyone, welcome again to Maths Guide. In this video, we are talking about something we all use in every single day, that is time. In this video, we will break down how to convert between the 12-hour and 24-hour clock time formats and how to calculate the duration of time quickly and accurately. By the end, you will feel more confident reading any clock, whether it's AM, PM, or military time. Time is actually the duration between two events, as we know that there are 24 hours in a day. To record time of the day, we simply use 12 hours or 24 hours clock. Hours, minutes and seconds are units of time, and days of the week and months of the year are also unit of time. A clock is used to show the time. One is an analog clock which we usually use in our offices and homes, and the second one is digital clock which shows time in digits. In this lecture, we will learn the difference between the 24-hour clock time and 12-hour clock time. There are 24 hours in the day, and 24-hour clock divides into two halves. The first 12 hours we use AM with the time, and for second 12 hours we use PM with the time. The time which starts from the 12 midnight to the 12 noon shows AM with the time. And from noon to midnight we use PM with the time. This is how 24 hours are covered in 12-hour clock. As I told you, for the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon we use AM. AM stands for anti-meridian, which means before midday. Midday means 12 noon. And PM stands for post-meridian, which means after midday. So the time between 12 noon to 12 midnight we use PM. Now we will learn how to write the time in 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Just watch carefully. The time in AM from 1 to 12 doesn't change when we write the time in 24-hour clock. 1 AM is 1, 2 AM is 2, 3 AM is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the time remains the same. Only one difference is that there are 4 complete digits. But in 12-hour clock, it is not necessary to complete the 4 digits, but it is necessary to write AM and PM to differentiate between the first 12 hours and the second 12 hours. It means the AM is the first 12 hours. But now look at this 12 AM. It is the starting time of the day, so 24-hour clock we write it as 00. Then colon sign, then 00. And 12:30 AM will be 0:30. It means the 12 midnight is written as 0 in 24-hour clock. Now comes to PM. When 12-hour clock completes its first 12 hours, it again starts its time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but instead of writing AM now, they write PM to show the second half of 24 hours. But 24-hour clock doesn't need to write AM and PM. Why? Because in 1 PM, it means 1 in afternoon, it writes it as 13, then 14, then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, up to 11 PM. This is how 24-hour clock completes its all 24 hours. Then again in 12 AM, it will write 000 to show the starting next day. From the previous chart, we learned two things. That when we have given the time in 12-hour clock with AM, while writing or converting into 24-hour clock, we will not change the time. It means AM doesn't change. But when the time is given with PM, we will change the time while converting it into 24-hour clock. How? Let's see. This is exercise 4.4, question number 1. Convert the following 12-hour clock time in 24-hour clock time. And the first time is 7:45 PM. Now we have PM with the time. It means we will surely change it to convert it into 24-hour clock time. What will we do? What is the shortest way to convert it? Yes, we will add 12 in hours. Yes, 7 plus 12 is 19, and the minutes will remain the same. Next time is with AM. As I told you, except 12. AM never changes. So the time will remain the same, only we will complete the 4 digits. Yes, we have completed just the digits, but the time is same. 9:31. Next is 8:35 p.m. Now again we have to change the time. The rule is same. We will add 12 to the hours. So 8 plus 12 is 20 and minutes are same. This is how we can easily convert the time in 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. Only change the time in PM and AM remains the same. Now exercise 4.4 question number 2. Convert the following 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock. Now we have to reverse our operation. For converting the time from 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock, we added the 12. Now for coming back from 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock, we will subtract 12. But how we get to know when to subtract and when to add, let's check it out. First time is 15:48. Whenever the hours are greater than 12, it shows that it is the second half of the time. So we will subtract 12 to get to the 12-hour clock time. We get 3:48 p.m. As this is the second half of the time in 24-hour clocks, that's why we use p.m. Next, again 23 is greater than 12, so it means it is the second half, so we will again subtract 12 and we get 11:15 p.m. And again the third question is 1943. Here 19 is again greater than 12, so we will subtract 12 from 19 and we get 7:43. But if the time given is less than 12, it shows that it is the time with AM in 24-hour clock, so we will write the same time exactly and write AM with that. As I told you that the time is a duration between two events, for example starting time and ending time, and the hours and minutes between these two events is the duration. For example, you come to school at 7 a.m. and the off time is 1 p.m. So 6 hours which you stayed in school is the duration of time. For next questions, we have to understand this. If the starting time is given and you have to find out the ending time, you will add hours and minutes or the duration. When you will add this duration with the starting time, you can get the ending time. And if you have been given the ending time and you have to find out the starting time, you have to subtract the hours and minutes or the duration from the ending time to get to the starting time. Just recall 2 points. To find out the ending time, we add duration to the starting time, and to find out the starting time, we will subtract duration from the ending time. So look at this question, exercise 4.4, question number 3. A bus leaves for Peshawar at 4:30 p.m. Leaving for Peshawar means starting time. It takes 6 hours to reach there and duration is 6 hours. What time will it reach in Peshawar? It means we have to find out the ending time. So starting time is 4:30 p.m. Duration is 6 hours. To find out the ending time, we will add hours into the hours. So we'll add the 6 hours into 4 and we get 10 hours and 30 minutes. So the time when it will reach Peshawar is 10:30 p.m. This is exercise 4.4, question number 5. Nadia sleeps for 6 hours 30 minutes in a day. This is duration of her sleeping time. Today, if she sleeps at 22:15, it is the starting time when she started sleeping, and this time is in 24-hour clock time. Then on what time will she wake up? It means we have to find out the ending time. So we will add duration in the starting time. Sleeping time means starting time is 22:15. The duration is 6 hours 30 minutes. We will add hours into the hours and minutes into the minutes. When we will add 6 in 22, now let's add them. 23, 24. After 24, we will again start counting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means the time is 4 hours. And when we will add minutes into the minutes, it means 30 minutes plus 15 minutes means 45 minutes. So she will wake up at 4:45 next day. This is the last question of your exercise 4.4, question number 5. The arrival time of Allama Iqbal Express at Lahore Junction is 11:40 am. Here Express means train and Junction means station. And its departure time is 12:10 pm. The train comes to the station at 11:40 am and leaves the station at 12:10 pm. Now we have been given the starting time and the ending time, and we have to find out the duration between the time the express stayed at Lahore Junction. So starting time is 11:40, ending time is 12:10 pm, and we have to find out the time between them. So we will find the difference between the two time. We will find the difference of ending and the starting time. Subtracting 11:40 from 12:10. How? We will take 1 hour from the hour side and we get 60 in the minute side. Now we have total 70 minutes. Now we will subtract 40 from 70 and we get 30 minutes. As we had less minutes in the minute side, so we have to borrow 60 minutes from the hour side. So we will take 1 hour from the hour side and we get 60 minutes. Then the 60 plus 10 is 70 now. And now we can easily subtract 40 from 70 and we get 30 minutes. So it means the train stayed at the station for 30 minutes. We use AM and PM in 12-hour clock. 12 p.m. is dash in 12-hour clock. 12 p.m. can be written as 12 noon in 12-hour clock. 12 midnight is dash in 24-hour clock. 12 midnight is 0000 in 24-hour clock. There are dash hours in a day, 24 hours in a day. Time between midnight to noon is written with AM, not with PM. From midnight to noon, we use AM in 12-hour clock, and from noon to midnight, we use PM in 12-hour clock. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share it, and my next lecture will be about relation between distance, time and speed. So stay tuned with Maths Guide.